After an accident, there are lots of questions, not only the insurance company, but what if you're injured? Who should you call first? Obviously, the hospital. But Joe Brown, he's the founder of Accident Law Group, and he's a former insurance adjuster, has lots of great insight to help us navigate through what can be a very emotional and difficult situation, Joe. So this is a big question for you. You get into an accident. Do you call your insurance company or do you call a lawyer? Provided that you're not hurt, FYI.
Well, I always recommend getting a free consultation before you talk to the insurance company. While they may be your insurance company, they're not on your side. I don't care what the commercials say. You know, it's a business and it's about them making money and not paying money. So it's always a good idea to give free legal advice. We offer a free consultation. Someone calls us. You know, we're happy to, direct them in the right direction. It's not a case we can help them. We can send them off or we get them direction to a good body shop even. A lot of people call and their car's damaged, they need a good body shop, and the insurance company wants to send them to their body shop. Not always in your best interest.
Interesting. Okay, so you've been on both sides of the fence. As a former insurance adjuster, now an attorney, you know already what the other guys are thinking before they even say it, don't you?
Yeah, I mean, I see this just the other day. They're saying, hey, why don't you take some pictures of that damage to your car and send them to me? Oh, okay, here's an estimate. It's $780 for the repairs. Right now, in today's society where people are struggling to make ends meet, they get a check for $800. They're like, my car doesn't look too bad. I'm going to keep the money. Number one mistake, because they immediately deny your injury claim as saying it wasn't enough damage to have caused an injury when your damages are that low. And then secondly, you have no idea what the damage is until you take the bumper off. I will tell you, I handled my brother's case. His car looked great. Took the bumper off. There was structural damage that had been totaled for $12,000.
Oh my
So
God.
you just have no idea what's underneath.
Yeah. Well, and see, that's kind of like your job there is kind of looking under the hood, so to speak, right?
Exactly.
Let's talk about communication. It's so critical. And we find that if we don't deal with an attorney, we're the ones having to communicate with the insurance company. And just like you said, it's not always in our best interest. When we come to see you, you take care of all of that for us?
Exactly. Well, first thing we do is send a letter saying, do not talk to my client. You may talk to my client about setting up, the repairs, and we're going to tell you which body shop my client's going to get the vehicle repaired at. So we're going to, help dictate that. If you need to inspect the vehicle, great. You can reach out to my client, but that's it. No statements, no nothing. You don't need to know. You want to know how they're feeling? Call us.
Okay.
You got a question? Call us. And they'll call incessantly all the time. They'll call 3-4 times a day, and you're not feeling well. And you don't know what's going on.
Yeah. Yeah. And again, you know this because you were one of them. Just saying.
I had a past life, yes. It's all a life.
Okay. And a real quick question for me. You get hurt. Maybe you don't have health insurance. You might be afraid to turn around and call an attorney. You can't help me. Is that true?
No, we can definitely help you. First of all, we don't get paid till the case settles. So you're not paying anything out of pocket for us. Secondly, we know doctors that'll wait to be paid. We can get you off to the treatment that you need, and we're good at doing that and saying, all right, let's get you this MD, and then let the MD tell you what you need. So you got a doctor that'll wait to be paid, but it's a good doctor who's going to direct your care based on what you need for your injuries.
Excellent. All right. Always good advice, Joe. Thank you so much. Good to see you. Let me give our viewers at home some more information. Accident Law Group, they have offices valley-wide, or you can also meet with them over the phone. Just dial **ALG to find a location near you or visit accidentlawgroup.com.